everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn how to play In My Place, one of the most famous songs by Coldplay. In this tutorial, you will learn the entire song and you will also learn the iconic guitar riff. Having said that, let's have a look at the chords. They are A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, E, and D. I know these are not the easiest chords to play, but if you want to take your playing to the next level, you need to work on them. One more thing, during the tutorial you will see me playing D and E using different shapes. In fact, I will play D like this. Basically, I'm doing a bar with my index on the top 3 strings, 2nd fret, and the 4th string is muted. You see? For E, I'm doing the same, but on the 4th fret. These shapes allow me to change chords better and faster, but of course it's up to you to choose which shapes you want to use. So let's start working on the verse. The strumming pattern for the verse goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. One more time. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. This is the chord progression. If you've noticed, you have 2 chords within 1 measure, which means you have to play 2 chords within 1 strumming pattern. And so it goes like this: 3, 4, A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and E. Now let me play the entire verse for you. 3, 4, A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and E. A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and E. A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and E. A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, E. Before working on the chorus, let me tell you something more about the verse chord progression. In the song, they don't actually play F sharp minor every time, but they alternate between A over G sharp and F sharp minor. And so this would be the actual chord progression. A over G sharp means that you have an A major chord with G sharp on the bass. In order for you to play an A major with G sharp on the bass, you really need a low G ukulele, and this would be the shape. Now, with a ukulele in standard tuning, like mine, this chord is an A major 7, which is also nice and it does work as well. So as you can see, you have some choices here, but probably the most effective option is to simply play F sharp minor all the time. Even if it's not 100% correct, it does the job. Now it's time for the chorus. Here you're gonna have 2 strumming patterns. The first one is gonna go like this: 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, down. Again, down, 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 up, down, down. Let's do it one more time. 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, you're gonna play this one for the chords that last for 4 beats. Instead, for the chords that last 2 beats, you simply do this: 3, 4, down, 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 down. One more time: 3, 4, down, 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 down. So this is the chord progression. You're gonna use the first strumming pattern for the chords in black and the second one for the chords in blue. Pay attention to the fact that the chords in blue last for 2 beats only. So you're gonna go like this: 3, 4, A, E. Anyway, let me play the entire chorus for you so that you understand better how it works. 3, 4, D, and A, and E, D, and A, and E, D, A, E, D, it's time to look at the beautiful guitar riff that has such an important role in the song. It goes like this: 3, 4. Let's break it down. You start with fret number 7 on the first string, and then fret number 4, then again fret number 7 and fret number 4. Then you have fret number 7 on the second string, fret number 4, and now you play again fret number 7 and fret number 4. Let's put everything together. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. By the way, for the right hand, I'm using the thumb for the 4th and the 3rd string, the index for the 2nd string, and the middle finger for the 1st one. You carry on and you repeat what you've just learned 3 times. So, first time, second time, third time, and now you have 7, 4, 7, then 7 slide to 9, 7, then 4, 7 and 4. All together, 3, 4. One more time, 3, 4. Now let's play the riff up to here. 3, 4. Let me just say that if you want, instead of the slide from 7 to 9, you can actually do a whole tone bend from fret number 7, and it will sound like this. Johnny Buckland, the guitarist from Coldplay, is actually sliding, but you know I really like to play bendings, and it does fit very well with this riff. Having said that, you play the entire riff one more time, and then you end with fret number 5 on the second string. So basically, the second time you repeat the riff, this is how it ends. You see? With fret number 5. Now let's play the entire riff slowly, say at 60 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you know all the parts that you need to play the entire song, and this is the structure. For the play along, I'm gonna be playing the riff from the intro, the verse and the chorus, and then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of In My Place. The tempo will be 73 BPM. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of In My Place by Coldplay, so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page, you can find the tabs for the intro, the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. And by the way, don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you've managed to learn this song. And by the way, if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process I follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I've got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!